Watch. A$AP Rocky arrested at LAX airport after trip with Rihanna. A$AP Rocky has found himself in another legal situation. On April 20th, the rapper landed at Los Angeles International Airport in Los Angeles, where he was arrested after exiting his private jet. According to NBC News, who cited multiple law enforcement sources, Los Angeles Police Department arrested the 33-year-old with assistance from Immigration and Customs Enforcement's Homeland Security Investigations team. The arrest was in connection with a 2021 shooting. The outlet reported that A$AP, who was born Rakim Mayers, had been under investigation for an incident that occurred in California last November. According to police reports obtained by NBC News, the shooting victim, who survived, told police that A$AP, while accompanied by two other people, allegedly approached him with a handgun on the street, adding that Mayers shot at him 3 to 4 times and believed one of the bullets grazed his left hand. The shooting had not been reported publicly before his arrest. E! News has reached out to authorities and $AP's attorneys for comment and hasn't heard back. Police were seen at $AP's house on April 20th, seemingly gathering possible evidence. $AP's arrest comes after he enjoyed a romantic getaway with Rihanna in her native country of Barbados. The two are currently expecting their first child. Back in July 2019, A$AP was arrested for gross assault in Sweden. The hip-hop star's manager addressed the incident on Instagram, claiming that his client was being held in a horrific facility with 24/7 solitary confinement. Travis Scott, Tyler the Creator and G-Eazy were some of the many artists who expressed their support for the social media movement #Justice for Rocky after news broke that A$AP would remain in custody for weeks as police investigated the assault claims against him. Former President Donald Trump also spoke out on Twitter in support of the rapper. After nearly 3 weeks behind bars abroad, the artist was charged with assault by Swedish prosecutors. A$AP pleaded not guilty to assault charges, with his lawyer telling the judge the rapper was acting in self-defense. In August 2019, he was found guilty of assault by a Swedish court. Instead of serving time behind bars, the rapper, along with 2 members of his entourage, were given conditional sentences after judges found that the assault was not of such a serious nature that a prison stance must be chosen. $AP's legal team expressed disappointment in the court's decision. The court has recognized that Rocky didn't act in a joint attack with the others and that Rocky didn't inflict any wounds on the victim, and that is a win, his attorney Slobodan Jovic said in a statement. But the court has also concluded that Rocky didn't act in self-defense. It's a conclusion that Rocky and I don't agree with. A$AP has also had other run-ins with law enforcement over the years. In 2012, he was arrested after a street fight with photographers in New York City. He reportedly pleaded guilty to attempted grand larceny and was sentenced to 3 days of community service. In 2013, he faced charges after allegedly slapping a fan at the Made in America festival. The case was dismissed after a state witness failed to appear. According to court documents obtained by TMZ, the alleged victim later filed a civil suit against A$AP that was privately settled in 2015.